In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow Google Drive to save your search history. Enabling this makes it easier to find files later, because Drive and other Google Workspace apps can use your past searches to improve suggestions and speed up results, while still giving you control over your data. Start by opening your web browser and going to google.com. If you're not already signed in, sign in to the Google account you use with Drive so the changes apply to the right place. At the top right of the page, click the grid icon, also called the Google Apps Launcher. From the panel that opens, click Drive to go straight to your Google Drive home. Inside Drive, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. From that menu, click Settings. A new panel appears with your Drive preferences. Here, select Privacy. This section includes a link to the activity controls that manage what gets saved from your searches in Drive. Click Manage Search History. Your browser will open your Google account activity page focused on Workspace data. On that page, choose Google Workspace Search History. You'll see a clear explanation of what may be saved, like the terms you search in Drive, Docs, Sheets, and other Workspace products, and how that information helps personalize your experience. To allow Google Drive to save your search history, use the toggle switch and turn it on. That's the key setting. Once enabled, your recent queries can help Drive surface files faster, refine autocomplete as you type, and sync these improvements across devices where you're signed in. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you switch between multiple Google accounts, glance at the profile picture in the top right to confirm you're modifying the correct account. If you use a work or school account, some controls might be managed by your organization. If the toggle is unavailable, contact your administrator. You can return to the same activity page anytime to review or delete past searches, and turning the setting off later will stop new history from being saved. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, open Drive, go to the gear icon and Settings, head into Privacy, manage your search history, open Google Workspace Search History, and enable the toggle. You've successfully allowed Google Drive to save your search history, making future searches faster and smarter.